Hello there, welcome back to Mechanic London, and here we are again back at our lovely Volvo KATY. At the moment the headlining has just arrived. I actually bought the headlining out of Sweden, so we put the clips in here, which does take a bit of time. I'll just show you here, these are the new clips that are available, and they are different. So we're using the old clips. These clips might be okay for using on the door panels. So although they're a little bit aged, they are fine, they're all tight and everything. Here I've got some very thin carpet, it's about a 9, and that will go up inside the car here. So we've got an adhesive to go up there that's heat resistant as well. So that will give us a good bond up there. Just show you, we have been doing a few bits. So the plates are in, the door seals are in, the glass is in. There's a reflection of myself. This trim here that comes out of Volvo, it doesn't quite fit here. We've had to nurse it around. So if I can get another one in between, I will replace that. So the door is there as well. Originally I had the Jensen trims to go on here, which are the copper ones, chrome ones. These are stainless steel that came with the car's original ones. So it looks like they're going to have to go back on because I couldn't get them to fit the same. It's okay on one side, but on the other side I couldn't get that. So I'll just give you a look around where we are. Nothing really much done with the engine at the moment. The brake servo, that's all been rebuilt here in the workshop. So that's on, but untested at the moment. So hopefully that took a bit of configuring to work that out. Getting the correct seal kits as well. It's also had a new, it's like a leather band seal inside here. Sent that off, had a new rod in it as well. But the actual main gubbins here are done myself. We're waiting for the clocks to come back still. Let's get onto the fella there. So the carpets are here, and they are looking pretty good as well. So we've got a boot carpet there. And this one's one of the front floor carpets. The boot itself, got the windscreen in there to keep it safe at the moment. The guttering has gone in as well. If I just, I don't know if I can show it. That's all hidden at the moment. We've still got some, but tested, and that comes down through a tube here. I will show you that. So these are the original Volvo P1800 bumpers that are on there. These ones are second hand that I managed to get. I've still got the originals somewhere. They were a bit too far gone. If you buy the stainless steel ones, I've been told that this bit here will be squared and won't be rounded off. So, and the fit is a bit of jiggling around, but the whole car is a bit jiggling around. The lights are in, the wiring is in. We did these lights here are brand new. We put a bit of chrome cleaner on this, and I'll give it a wipe. I don't know if it'll show through there, but it's gone back to copper, so something's gone wrong there, so that's got to be taken out again. And in the end, if you remember, I couldn't get this to seal here, whether the seals are different or the body. So in the end, I used the seal from the front grille, and I'll just whiz around. So that is the same seal. So there's no reason that you couldn't get an extra bit of that and put that on the front yourself if you've got the same problem. It's absolutely perfect. I've seen the cars come in that have got the original seals, and the water still gets behind there and it rots. So all I've done is whipped it around there, and we've got a little, you can't even see it, there's a tiny little cut there. You know, like any seal, you'll always have a joint. If you are worried, you could put some mastic inside. You've got this stainless steel screws here, a little bit of the white that you can see where I've been polishing, that'll come off in the wash. But the other side, yeah, we've got a problem there, so that's got to be dealt with. This trim is on. and the door trim is on. Like all these things, it's a lot of mucking about. So that's where we are there. I've taken this bit back out. You can see what happens once the clips pop out. So we can touch up these here. The clips got stuck there, but right, let's have a look. So what else? The armrests arrived as well. So these are the original armrests, and they are looking good. I just put down that clip there, and they are very nice. They've got an all new sponge all lapped around, and then you've got the trim here. There you've got the joiners. I think they are cracked somewhere here. That's to be expected. And what we can do, we can just put a little piece of fiberglass across there, a little matting I would probably put, and repair that. That's fine. I mean, if you can get a hold of new ones, I don't know if you can, but a lot of the stuff that I'm finding when it's new, it ain't so good. So maybe you'll be prepared to repair what you've got. There's our carpets. Okay, and a few more pieces up here. I've got the studs, and here we've got an extra bit of weight added to it. Okay, so that's where we are at the moment. Let's see in the next few days how far we can get. It's been pretty hot here in London at the moment, and we are trying to get this on the road. So I'm going to go and glue in the sort of a bit of carpets, very thin carpet I've got there for the headrests. For the headlining. So also on the headlining, the guy that repaired these for me, if I can just show you if you wanted to repair them yourself, he's used a very thin piece of ply here. It's glued in, clamped overnight, depending on the glue, and then he's given it a staple to hold it in place. Because obviously this stuff is very brittle when she comes out. Okay, we'll see you next time, and don't forget to follow us on Mechanic London, and hope your projects are going very well as well. Thank you to all the questions that I've been getting, and the help, as far afield as Australia, and up north, Barry, he's always helping out there with bits and pieces. We're trying to work out the windscreens at the moment, and try to do it myself, but some things are a specialist, and they do have to be done by a specialist, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.